Chris Picuro, MRR Institute. Over the last year, we've really seen a focus of AI within our tax and accounting practices. I've consulted with a lot of industry leaders and come to the conclusion of this. AI is not going to replace tax and accounting professionals, but tax and accounting professionals that utilize AI are going to replace the ones that do not. So my advice is to embrace AI, start implementing it safely and securely into your tax and accounting practice, and then start reaping the benefits of the simplicity, the knowledge, and the time that you now receive back.